at the 2010 OneMedForum, and right now I'm speaking with Bill Hearl with Immunomic Therapeutics. Bill, thank you for being with me today.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about the company.
Immunomic Therapeutics was founded around a technology that we licensed from Johns Hopkins University to develop next-generation vaccines. So it's been used primarily in a variety of infectious diseases, also has been applied somewhat in cancer, and we're looking at applying it in allergy.
And vaccines are an exciting area right now, not only for investors, but in healthcare in general. Can you tell me, how is Immunomic Therapeutics staged to take advantage of that?
Well, we actually, the technology we have is known as LAMP, which stands for lysosomal associated membrane protein. It's a complicated name, so we stick with LAMP. And LAMP itself is a platform technology, so we have the ability to create a whole variety of vaccines around this LAMP platform. And we've started primarily at focusing on allergy as our first target. And we've selected as a first target Japanese red cedar, which is the #1 allergy in Japan, and we plan on following that with short ragweed, which is the top allergen in North America and Europe. So there's quite a bit going on to give us plenty of opportunities in the vaccine space.
Great. And showing success in clinical trials is obviously very important in getting this to market. Is there any evidence that it's been efficacious in humans?
We're very fortunate. We have a sub-licensee, the Geron Corporation, and Geron has applied our technology in 2 separate clinical studies for cancer patients, first with prostate cancer and most recently with acute myeloid leukemia. And both studies, the patients showed a clinical response to the vaccine. And what the technology in their clinical trials, what they've been able to show is that we know that LAMP is safe. So that's the first part. They've had over 100 people dosed with this. The second thing we've been able to see is that we get real immune response. Tom O'Karma, the CEO of Geron, said that with this vaccine, this is real immunology, not ever seen in humans before. So this is really an exciting opportunity. And just recently, the report with the AML study, 14 out of 20 patients are still in remission after dosing. So it's really quite exciting.
Great. What does your management team look like?
We've got a great group of people that we put together. This is my second startup company, and we also have Bruce Mackler, who has, as our regulatory affairs vice president. Bruce has managed over 130 INDs. We've already had 2 meetings with the FDA and have completed our pre-IND packages for 2 targets. We've got people that have a great deal of experience in our industry. Bernie Rudnick is our financier and CFO. Barry McDonald is our business development board member. And we just have put together just a phenomenal group. And of course, Tom August is the scientific founder at Johns Hopkins.
Why did you decide to pursue allergy vaccines? Is there some sort of competitive advantage to that approach?
Well, actually, it's interesting. When you look at the possible targets, allergy is the least difficult of the targets, because when you're dealing with allergy, generally speaking, you're not dealing with people that are in imminent danger of death. You don't have to prevent an infectious disease, and it's very easy to actually monitor the allergic response with a skin test or a simple blood test. So the cost of clinical trials is very low, and the amount of time it takes to complete the clinical trials is abbreviated. In fact, the FDA looked at our proposal, and we would be able to get through phase 1 and phase 2 in really just about a year. And so that's a very speedy path through the FDA, a real plus for us.
Great. And you've been at the OneMedForum. You presented earlier today.
That's correct.
How did that go?
Oh, it was great. It's a really exciting opportunity to get to talk to the investment community and present what we think is a tremendous investment opportunity. Immunomics is really poised to have a great 2010, and we think we're an ideal investment vehicle for the private investor today.
Great, Bill. Well, it's been a pleasure speaking to you.
Thank you so much.
Good luck
Really
in the
appreciate
future.
it. Thanks a lot.